Welcome back to EverFit Nation. If you're looking to jumpstart your fitness journey but don't have a ton of time in the morning, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing a simple 5-minute morning routine you can do every day to boost your energy, kickstart your metabolism, and set you up for a healthy day. Let's get moving. Start your day by waking up your body with a few simple stretches. It's important to get your muscles moving and blood flowing after hours of sleep. This will help release tension and prepare your body for the day ahead. On screen, host demonstrates a few stretches such as cat-cow, forward fold, and side stretch. Take just 1 minute to stretch your arms, legs, and back. You'll feel more awake and ready to take on whatever the day brings. Now that your body is awake, it's time to hydrate. Drinking water first thing in the morning is crucial to kickstart your metabolism and help flush out toxins. I love adding a squeeze of lemon for a vitamin C boost, which is great for immunity and digestion. On screen, host pours water and adds lemon slices. Make it a habit to drink at least 16 ounces of water before you eat breakfast. This helps hydrate your cells and sets you up for the day. Next, let's get your heart pumping, no gym, no problem. Here's a 1-minute body weight workout you can do anywhere. We'll do 20 seconds of each exercise and you'll repeat twice. On screen, quick demonstration of body weight exercises like squats, jumping jacks, and push-ups. These exercises will get your blood flowing and your metabolism revved up. And they'll also wake you up better than any cup of coffee. Let's start with squats. Here we go. Now, let's refuel with a quick power breakfast. A good meal in the morning sets the tone for your day and keeps your energy levels stable. On screen, host prepares a quick smoothie bowl with protein powder, berries, and oats. Choose a breakfast that combines protein, healthy fats, and fiber. For example, try a smoothie with a scoop of protein powder, some berries, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. It's quick, delicious, and will keep you full for hours. Before we dive into the day, take a moment to center yourself with a quick mindfulness practice. It only takes 30 seconds to calm your mind and set a positive tone for the day. On screen, host demonstrates deep breathing or a simple meditation technique. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and focus on gratitude. Reflect on one thing you're thankful for today, whether it's your health, your family, or the opportunity to work on yourself. And that's it, your 5-minute morning routine to jumpstart your fitness journey. These simple habits will help you feel energized, set the right mindset, and make it easier to stick with your fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to EverFit Nation, and share this routine with someone who could use a quick morning boost. Also, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite morning routine habit? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay fit, stay healthy, and stay energized.